Grandpa, are you okay?
My chest hurts.
Grandpa! Wake up! Wake up, Grandpa! What do I do? What do I do? Help! Somebody help! Grandpa is hurt!
Anna, be brave.
I am scared, Grandpa. I am so scared.
Anna, listen to me carefully.
Yes, Grandpa?
I am very old. Sometimes old cats get sick.
I do not want you to get sick.
I know. But if I fall down, what do I do? You must be brave. You must stay calm.
Stay calm. Okay.
Then you must use the phone.
Use the phone? Who do I call?
You call 911.
9.
1
1.
1. Yes, they will send a doctor. They will help me.
I remember. I must be brave. I must stay calm. I must help you, Grandpa. I will pull you up. Get up, Grandpa. Please get up. Oh, no. You are too heavy. I cannot lift you. The phone. I will call 911. I have the phone. I must press 911. Oh, no. I pressed the wrong number. I ruined it. My claws are shaking. I am doing it wrong. No, Anna. Stop crying. Grandpa said to stay calm.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Put away the claws. 9 1 1.
911 emergency. What is your problem?
Hello. I am Anna. I am a cat.
Hello, Anna.
What is the emergency?
My grandpa fell down. He is in the garden. His chest hurts.
Okay, Anna. You are doing a great job.
Is he awake?
Yes. He is awake.
Okay. We will send an ambulance. What is your address?
My address?
Yes, Anna. What is your house number and street?
My house number? I forgot.
Think carefully, Anna. Look outside.
I cannot remember. My mind is blank.
Do not panic. Go to the front door. Look at the numbers.
Okay. Wait for me. I see it. 502502. Hello? Hello? Are you there?
I am here, Anna. What is the number?
It is 502. 502 Apple Street.
502 Apple Street. Good job, Anna. The ambulance is coming fast.
Go back to your grandpa. Keep him warm.
Keep him warm. Okay. Thank you. I have the blanket. I must be fast.
Anna! But it is cold.
I am here, Grandpa. The doctors are coming. We'll keep you warm, Grandpa. I love you, Grandpa. You will be okay. Look! The ambulance!
Where is the patient?
Here! He is, right here.
Check his breathing. Check his heart.
His heart is beating fast. Let's get him on bed.
You did a great job keeping him warm, little cat.
I called 911.
You saved his life. Let's go to the hospital.
It is so good to be home.
I missed you, Grandpa. I was so scared.
I know you were scared, but I am very proud of you.
Really?
Yes, you saved my life. You are a very brave cat. I love you so much, Anna.
I love you too, Grandpa.
So, tell me, what did we learn today? What do we do in an emergency?
I know all the rules now. Rule number 1, stay calm and do not panic.
Very good. Rule number 2.
Call 911 on the phone.
That is right.
Rule number 3. Remember your address and tell the operator.
And the last rule.
Rule number 4, get a blanket and keep them warm.
You are the smartest kitten in the world. Come here. I love you so much, Anna.
I love you too, Grandpa.